Hello friends, welcome to Yes Me Quizzes with waterfalls related question and answers. First one, what is the biggest fall in India? Options. First option, Jog Falls. Second option, Kunchikal Falls. Third option, Hebe Falls. Fourth option, Dudh Sagar Falls. Answer is Kunchikal Falls. Kunchikal Falls height is 455 meter. Second one, how many falls are there in Kerala? Options. First option, 55 waterfalls. Second option, 68 waterfalls. Third option, 27 waterfalls. Fourth option, 90 waterfalls. Answer is 27 waterfalls. Kerala is top tourist destination in place in India because there are around 27 waterfalls in Kerala. Various beautiful waterfalls Suchipara located. Options. First options Kerala. Second option Karnataka. Third option Tamil Nadu. Fourth option Telangana. Answer is Kerala. Suchipara Waterfalls is located at Vellarimala. It is 35 km away from Wayanad. Fourth one, which state has highest waterfalls in India? Options. First option, Assam. Second option, Gujarat. Third option, Karnataka. Fourth option, Jharkhand. Answer is Karnataka. Fifth one, which state is Elephant Waterfalls located? Options. First option, Odisha. Second option, Assam. Third option, Mizoram. Fourth option, Meghalaya. Answer is Meghalaya. The Elephant Waterfalls is located at Shillong, Meghalaya, India. Which is the smallest waterfall in the world? Options. First option Gandaki. Second option Pokhara. Third option Mill Pond Falls. Fourth option Davis Falls. Answer is Mill Pond Falls. Mill Pond Falls is 5 meters 16 feet high. Is located in Newington, Connecticut. Which is the largest waterfall in the world? Options. First option Angel Falls. Second option Victoria Falls. Third option Niagara Falls. Fourth option Iguazu Falls. Answer is Angel Falls. Angel Falls is located southeastern Peninsula, 3,212 feet, 979 meters. Eighth one, how many waterfalls are there in Karnataka? Options. First option, 248 waterfalls. Second option, 688 waterfalls. Third option, 544 waterfalls. Fourth option, 744 waterfalls. Answer is 744 waterfalls. Ninth one, which city is known as the city of waterfalls? Option. First option, Manipur. Second option, Karnataka. Third option, Kerala. Fourth option, Ranchi. Answer is Ranchi. Ranchi is the state capital of Jharkhand, is referred to the city of waterfalls. 10th one, which is the beautiful waterfall in Karnataka? Options. First option, Irupi Falls. Second option, Jog Falls. Third option, Hebe Falls. Fourth option, Satodi Falls. Answer is Jog Falls. Jog Falls has been awarded the title Niagara of India as it is the second highest and most beautiful waterfalls in the country. 11th one, what is the small waterfall is called? Options. First option, Kasade. Second option, Mini Falls. Third option, Pool. Fourth option, Plunge. Answer is Kasade. Where is Kunchikal waterfall located? Options. First option, Tamil Nadu. Second option, Kerala. Third option, Karnataka. Fourth option, Telangana. Answer is Karnataka. Quizzes. Please support our channel and please subscribe.